Y'all know where I just left? Harbor Freight. This is the 2-ton one. Stronger than what I got. Let's put it together.
Look how neatly packaged everything is.
Oh man, look at all these parts. This is gonna take like 10 minutes to put together. I gotta top this thing off with some oil. They didn't put enough in it from the factory. This load leveler is nice. It helps level the load out, obviously. That's why it's called a load leveler. It's got this handle right here, and it really helps when you're lifting the engine up. All right, y'all, the engine lift works great. You'll see what I'm doing with it in a future video. I'll check y'all out later.